my god, it's been a while. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video is all about me sharing with you guys about my braces journey. I've been actually battling with my teeth problem for the past 2.5 years. But one quick note, my pronunciation may be a little bit off because I'm still adjusting with the braces. I only had my braces on like for coming about 2 months. I love going to the dentist, so I always go to the dentist every 1 year once to do scaling, cleaning, polishing and all of that. Because if you catch the problem early, then you can resolve the problem earlier. Because I'm a type of person that brush in the morning and night and floss morning and night. Seriously, I'm that of a clean freak when it comes to my teeth. Like 2.5 years ago, every time when I brushed, it started to bleed. So I thought maybe it's like, a little bit like too much of flossing, too much of brushing. So I left it. Then 6 months later, I started to realize that my teeth started to shift, and at the bottom right here, at my bottom teeth, the teeth started to get like abscess. When your tooth swells up, it hits on the nerve, and the nerve is literally like connected to everywhere on your face, and that hurts a lot. So then I went to this private clinic here in Singapore called Q&M. I got it checked it out and they said everything was normal. It was just like food stuck inside, so they did a little bit like cleaning, scaling, all that, and it was done. I went to Kutipot Hospital for the dental thing, and then I got an x-ray done in Kutipot Hospital, and they found out that my bottom teeth right here and few teeth on top had a loss of bone due to the amount of like infection that was going on, and then they couldn't even diagnose me, and I was going back and forth with Kutipot Hospital Dental for almost 1.5 years, guys. When I went to the first treatment in Q&M, they cleared my entire mouth. They numbed my entire mouth and only cost like $700. And then 2 months later, I got it again. And then it started to occur like every single month. And then it started from here. As months goes on, it started hurt at the top as well. After the Q&M, I found that they are like full of shit. I've literally wasted like from Q&M and Kutipot Hospital, 1,500. Just like that, 1,500, up and down, up and down. And then I decided that I'm not going to go to Q&M anymore, and I'm not going to go to a government hospital. So I went online, I searched and searched and searched, and I came across Thomson Specialist Dentistry. This one right here. Okay, honest to God, these guys are not cheap. They are very expensive, but I can definitely tell you when I went to them, I have not gone through any more teeth ache. So my first appointment from Thomson Dental was on 10th of October last year, 2020. And then they told me what was the problem. So instead of checking the gum status, they just clean. They don't even bother to check whether your gum is healthy. They just go in and clean. And then eventually, if you keep going, the bacteria keeps pushing in and into your gums, and that's why mine became extremely worse. That there was a lot of bacteria and a lot of stuff stuck inside my gums. That's why I keep going through all that nerve pain and all that infection inside my mouth, and that causes gum loss, bone loss that can't be reversed. So this doctor assured me that it can be fixed. Doesn't mean you have bone loss or gum loss, your teeth can't get healthy again. He assured me and he delivered. But the bone loss and the gum loss is, you can't reverse that. Okay, that's unfortunate. So he told me once we start the treatment, the bone will start growing a little bit to just stabilize the teeth, and the gum, the part that is infected, when they clean, the gum will recede. Your teeth will look a little bit larger, your gums will start to heal. So it will go up, up, up. That's hard to explain, but you guys can go and Google about gum receding and all that. My next appointment was booked like 4 days later, was on 14th October, and that's when we started our first treatment. This doctor told me that this gum treatment is 4 treatments, and every 4 treatments is 2 to 3 weeks apart. So it's 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 4 quarter. That's how they do the treatment. And I'm telling you guys, it's no joke. It is damn freaking painful. They will numb, and then they will literally go right into the root and clear everything inside, literally everything, and then you heal for 2 to 3 weeks and then you go for the next side. So 1 month later, 30th January this year, 2021, went back for like a review to check how my gums was healing, everything was perfect. And then what happened was my bottom tooth right here started to act up. My nerve hit on that tooth because this tooth at the water was really like shaky. So what he did was he shaved off the bottom of the root. You can see here, yeah, there's an empty gap. He shaved off the root and took out the root, and then he glued the balance of the teeth together. Because the teeth was so shaky, it keeps pressing on the nerve. It keeps pressing and poking on the nerve. So the doctor decided to pluck that out. And after this tooth extraction, guys, my eyes was literally blue-black. And I'll show you guys the photo. That was like the massive pain that it shoot all the way up here for weeks. And it was so puffy and it was so horrible. After that, the doctor gave me a bunch of antibiotics. I took 10 days worth of antibiotics. 1 month later, I went back for the next appointment, which is on the 25th of February. So on the 25th of February, the doctor asked me whether I wanted to extract my tooth and do braces on the same day, or extract tooth first, let it heal, and then do braces. Well, I was a hero. I took the extraction and did the braces at the same time. So in order to put braces, since my upper jaw is bigger than my lower jaw, I have to extract 2 teeth. Okay, on the top, I took out this side. You can see, gap here, gap here. So after that, he gave me a bunch of painkillers. He gave me 1 packet, 10 painkillers, okay? He got me to take 1 painkiller, and that painkiller lasts for 24 hours. That is like a literally very solid painkiller. I rested for 45 minutes in the clinic so that the painkiller can work, and then I went and get my braces done. What they did was an x-ray, another x-ray, the mole, you know, that purple mole, it smelled like, and it tasted like blueberry. So they put the mole, and then after they removed the mole, like top and bottom, they took photos, like front, back, side, smiling, all that. They took photos about it, and then they put the braces on. But of course, when you put braces, at first you can't eat like hard food. It's going to be painful in the mouth. It's going to be painful. You're going to eat soft food. I mean, it's a process. You would definitely get used to it, because you see, you know, when I started this treatment, I never even did a video because, you know, it was like pain. But my treatment and your treatment may be a bit different. You see, I had kind of unhealthy gums. But if you have healthy gums, you don't have to go through the first process that I went through. They will test your gums, do a little bit cleaning here and there, and then bam, you put your braces on. This cleaning is no joke. It's like hands down freaking expensive, but it's really worth it. I would definitely say, if you want to get quality and you want to get results, you go for this clinic. So yeah, basically this is coming to the end of the video. I really hope that what I share with you guys is very informative, that gives you guys a little bit of insight of what I went through with QNM, Tutupa Hospital, and led me to a very, very good doctor. I'm talking out of 2.5 years plus worth of experience, guys. So truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. I truly hope that you guys find this video helpful. I'll just give this video a thumbs up if you guys love me coming back to YouTube and making videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.